Yeah, so now we are going to study about critical angle. So if there are two mediums, say, which is separated by a surface, this is a denser medium, this is a rarer medium. Yeah, what can a denser medium be? Say this is a liquid and this is air. So the liquid can be water or whatever, and this air, which is a denser, which is a rarer medium compared to the liquid, right? So now we know that when a ray of light travels in the denser medium and it comes in the interface of the two medium, the light was supposed to go in this path, but as it is traveling from one medium to another medium, and as it is traveling from denser to rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. So as it was supposed to go in this path, but it will go away from the normal. Yeah, so this is the angle of incidence at this moment. Now if you increase the angle of incidence, yeah, the ray will bend further. The angle of refraction will also increase in this direction. Now for a particular angle of incidence, where the angle of incidence has grown to a very large value, the refracted ray will deviate the most and will graze through the surface of the two medium. Means the refracted ray will actually pass through the surface of the two medium. Means for this angle of incidence, so we say it as C, the angle of refraction becomes 90 degree. Yeah, so for that angle of incidence C, this is the angle of incidence. The angle of incidence C, the angle of refraction becomes 90 degree. So this angle will then be called the critical angle for the given pair of media, for the pair of media. Understood? So now what happens? The refracted angle is 90 and this is the incident angle is this. So refractive index of the rarer with respect to the denser will be equals to sine of C divided by sine of 90 degree. Any doubt? But we don't intend to find this. We intend to find the reverse. The reverse will be refractive index of denser with respect to rarer equals to sine of 90 degree by sine of C. Yeah? So if the rarer medium is air, then this becomes the absolute refractive index equals to eta, the absolute refractive index, if the rarer medium is air. Fine enough? Understood this? So this will be absolute refractive index is equals to, what is the value of sine 90? Sine 90 is equals to 1. Yeah, so 1 by sine C. This can also be written as sine of C is equals to 1 upon eta. So if you know the absolute refractive index of a medium, you can find the critical angle for that pair of media. So the critical angle will be sine inverse 1 upon eta. So this is the most important thing, and numericals will come, a lot of numericals will come based on this concept of critical angle. So you have to know the absolute refractive index of a given medium. You have to know the absolute refractive index of a given medium to find the critical angle of that pair of medium.